Let's plant the hellebores I got from Trader Joe. I have 7 that I need to plant. They don't have any names, but either way, they're hellebores, they're beautiful, and I want to put them in the shaded part of the garden. This bed has hydrangeas, hostas, bleeding heart, and columbine. So I want to add some hellebores. These hellebores are very root bound. Very. I had to actually cut them up, cut the roots up. It was really hard to get them out of the pots. See what I'm saying? Very root bound. But I think they're gonna resist, they're gonna survive, and I think they're gonna be happy planted there. I was gonna plant another hellebore in the corner, but I decided just to put the Joe Pye weight there instead. I think it's gonna cover that back wall and it gives me a better look in summer. This is the other extreme of the flower bed, and I'm over here planting the other 2 hellebores. Actually, I planted 2 in that corner, and then I decided to go with another one in the other side of the dogwood. This is the middle of the bed, and as you can see, I have about 6 hellebores in here that needs to be cleaned up. So I'm cutting the old foliage and letting the new growth come up. And I have 1 flowering already. I really love hellebores, so I'm really happy that I found these hellebores at Trader Joe for $11 each. And I think that was a great deal because I usually buy them for $30 and $40. Hopefully they do survive and they like the spot where they are, and we can enjoy it for years to come. I really like the changes in the flower bed with just adding a few hellebores. I didn't spend that much money, and the impact is beautiful. It's a great impact. So I'm very happy. As you can see, I added the other one over here. I really love the way it looks now. In the other flower bed, where it's more sunny, I want to make a few changes. Right there when I pointed out, I added the euonymus because that corner always bothered me. It looked unfinished and I didn't like it. Now it's looking better. I'm also gonna move the fountain to the middle of the flower bed where we have right now the black lace elderberry. I think all those changes are gonna look better in the upcoming season, and I can't wait to do it. As soon as I could move the plant, I'm gonna put the plant where the fountain is, and I'm gonna put the fountain where the plant is. I enjoy the weather and the garden today. I hope you do the same. Bye.